Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix-Up, it's not credible. And just like the title says, Masicka diss Beenie Man, and he also diss Bounty Killer, because these are the only two that proclaims kingship in dancehall. And I want to say that he's dissing Vybz Kartel, which he is, because he's rolling with Corey Fraud. But I think they're getting confused when Vybz Kartel said he's king of the dancehall, and I'm going to show you the reason why. But before we get into all of that, I need you to hit the like button, subscribe, and also the notification bell. Because Aronia say get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And honestly, people, I think Masicka is depressed. He has all this money and everything, house, Porsche, Benz, Beamer, etc., and he's still not happy with his career. I don't know if that's because of his fans, you the genocide people, or he's just upset with how his management is going. Because, a few months ago, we seen Corey Todd out of nowhere say a Vybz Kartel begged the infrared collaboration with them. We didn't need to know all of that. We just seen a good product came out of it. You see what I'm saying? It was beneficial to both camps. So we see there's some issues. I don't know if because it's Vybz Kartel rolling with the six and getting all of these hits. You see what I'm saying? Because we see it said that Masicka is not really a topic in dancehall. I mean, he puts out good music. You see what I'm saying? And I think he's using a tactic like Alkaline. He's looking a hype to go viral. I don't know what he got up his sleeves. Obviously, he has something in store. And what I'm talking about, he made a post. His birthday is coming up, and he made this post. He said this: roll out and celebrate with the new king of dancehall. Buy a ticket. Click link in bio. You see what I'm saying? So, when he says the new king of dancehall, that's going to make headlines. And automatically people is going to think Vybz Kartel. And this is why I say people got Vybz Kartel's captions twisted, because I know of lately when I've been seeing him say king of the dancehall, as he should. Because he has an album called King of the Dancehall, and he's promoting his business. You see what I'm saying? So a lot of people might be in their feelings, and this is why I say should just start diss people and call him. Because he's obviously bored with his career. But a lot of people is saying that he's no king because he didn't bust nobody. But anyway, because Beenie and Bounty are the only somebody me know that take up them things, so I'm waiting for their response. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, but in the meantime, people, I'm just giving you this update. So if you think Masicka is just looking viral and he's just depressed, let me see what I have to say in the comments. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Caronia, son, to get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. Bless.